Hello and welcome to Herman Hits the Road. I'm Ads.
And I'm Zoe.
And in this video, we're going to go in there with Castle Drogo. Yes, Castle Drogo is part of the National Trust, and we had to book, but we had to also go up some very narrow roads in Herman.
Yes.
But we'll show you those at the end of this video, because right now we're going to go through that door and take a look around the building. Looks kind of weird, doesn't it? It's a modern day castle built between 1910 and 1930, and it's been handcrafted and chiseled out of granite. And look at these windows, it's like really modern windows, and yet they still have arrow slits at the top. Almost looks a bit like a prison. Well, yeah, we're inside Castle Drogo, and of course you've got to wear the masks. But look at the walls. Everywhere is just stone, not plastered or anything like that. Look at the size of that great grandfather clock. Very lovely. It's working too. Right, we're going to enter the drawing room now. It does seem to be a one-way system, which is great. Oh wow, look at the size of this. Very impressive. So this is Julius Drew. Castle Drogo was actually built for him, self-made millionaire, and right at the bottom of his feet there is a 39-pound salmon that he caught, and it's actually in this building somewhere, so we'll hunt that out. It's going to be a bit smelly. So here we have the dining room, and I just found out that Julius Drew, he died a year after the castle was built. It's a bit unfortunate, isn't it? In a lot of these old houses, they have electricity, but you can see it's been added in after. Look at that. There's a socket there in granite, obviously put in when it was being built. So we're now in the butler's pantry. Those bronze or brass taps there. And then through here, there's I guess where he slept. Tiny little room. All the mod cons here. This is the bell system, I would think, and this is the telephone exchange. What do you think this one is? Got a few sewing machines, workbench there. Right, so this is now the kitchen. Got these two huge, what, args are they? Argers? With a massive table in the middle. More kitchen. I guess this is where they do the washing up preparation work and whatever. Look, just noticed. Is that coffee? They're making coffee there. Grinding it up. Wow. Oh, one of those things, what do they call it? A dumbwaiter? We have a wooden sink. I don't think I've ever seen one of those before. What's a wooden sink for? So yeah, we discovered the fish, didn't we? The 39-pound fish.
Which isn't on display at the moment.
No, it's in
It's
in someone's office apparently. But which is a shame. Why did they say why?
Well, I suppose just to protect it, maybe.
Oh, maybe it is just smelly.
The highlight of the trip, that was.
Yeah, we want to see that. So we just found somebody who knows a bit more about the fish.
So, the fish was on display a couple of years ago, so you've just missed the fish. Before that, it did live in our office, which was...
Sorry, live
in his glass case on the mantelpiece in our office.
Right.
Prior to that, he was the centre point of what we called the fish restaurant, because we used to have our restaurant downstairs.
Oh, I see.
And he was in there before the project. He's currently away being conserved, because he's a bit the worse for wear after 70 odd years of living in a glass case.
Yeah, because it was 1900, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
So he was caught in Scotland, lived in Sussex for a bit in the family home, then moved to Devon, and is now currently, I think, in Sussex again, being conserved.
But it's not live.
He's not alive, but very much a part of the Drogo team anyway.
Right, I see. Great. Well, thank you very much.
No problem.
Thank you. So now we're into Julius Drew's office.
The cigars over there.
I think my office is probably the size of this table. So it goes all the way around through there as well. Oh, it's a mirror. Ah, spooky. I thought it was another room.
Yeah.
I do like that chair, it looks very comfortable. That's the office. Through here, where we were looking into with that mirror, is a bedroom. Massive wardrobe and set of drawers there. And then we have this bed. But look at the size of that mirror. Just sitting there, all golden and whatever. Yeah, this is a very peaceful room. This must be the lounge. Look at that. Oh, we've got the lovely music playing and doo-doo-doo. Piano behind me. Bit of a small fire compared to the other rooms we've been in. Very cosy. You're going to think I've got a thing about switches. Look at this one. It's got a wooden fascia on it. Right, we're looking for the chapel now. We've done the house. So we found the chapel. It's kind of underground almost, like a cellar, isn't it? Do you think? It's quite dark and dingy.
Yeah, it's quite small.
Small, but I guess chapels are. Churches aren't.
Yes.
Chapels are part of churches, but yeah. And for some reason, this model is in the chapel. Now, do you recognise what that? We recognise. Well, I recognise it straight away. This is Thiepval Memorial, which is in Belgium, isn't it?
Yes.
We've walked along here, walked up these steps, looked all the way along here, went through here. We've been here.
Looks a bit different.
Looks a bit smaller, doesn't it? According to this, I'm right. It's kind of an afterthought, this chapel. It was going to be an undercroft for the Great Hall. But that idea was abandoned and decided to make it a private family chapel. So that's our tour of Castle Drogo. They also have plenty of walking here, which are very nice. Now the castle itself sits right on the edge of a cliff in the valley.
Tyne Valley, isn't it?
Tyne
Valley.
Tyne Valley.
T-E-I-G-N.
You know more than I do. And the walks go up and down the valley there, and you can see some really spectacular views. But anyway, we're going to end the video here. So if you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you get updates on future videos. But before we go, here's what we had to go through when we were driving here. It's we got a motorhome here, but let's just say it's not exactly motorhome friendly.
And we're not going that way back.
I've been told. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
So you are?
Yeah.
Is this why you wanted to go this way?
Oh. No, I clicked on the map on Google and it was like this.
And you thought, why not have a bit of a...
No, I thought, well, you said something about it's narrow going up to the through into the car park or whatever.
Yeah.
When we get there. I thought,
I see.
I'll record it, but
It's all
and
that
since
way.
that blockage back there, I thought maybe I should just record the. And the map is a bit. It's not straight. Put it that way.
No.
It's got more bends in it and 500 worms. Oh, you're all right now, though.
Oh!
Those trees are getting a bit close, though. Look.
Can we get through?
Well, I've got loads of cars. Oh, you're going to have an accident.
Behind this wall.
Can you get a goodbye now? Yeah, you can take. You can get by. You can get by. You can get going. If we can get by, I can move forward. Thank you!
In 200 yards, turn right.
Thank you!
It's because all the cars are so much bigger these days, isn't it? Well, there we are. Castle.
It's not because we're driving a motorhome.
So we're going to the right here, are we?
Yeah.
Take the next right.
Big old. Everything's fallen out of the cupboards.
No, we're not going up there. That looks bloody steep, whatever it is.
Yeah, you don't know what this is like yet.
No, it's true.
Continue for 1 mile.
Dear me. We are seriously getting... Oh.
Well, I would imagine.
Oh no, it's alright. Let me
So, are they- No? Okay.
Oh, where did they go? Oh, they went in there. We've got somebody in front of us, isn't it?
I don't know.
We're only going to this place once, isn't it? Oh, dear. I mean, when they said it was a narrow lane, it bloody well is a narrow lane. I don't know why I'm winning Herman up the hill. This reminds me of that really steep hill we went up, do you remember, in Ireland? Oh my god.
Oh no, Herman's not struggling. I'm just keeping it in this low gear because of in case I need to stop.
Yes. That's a good enough reason. Oh god.
Oh, that's a steep part, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, that was good timing. Or was it? Oh jeez. Where is this bloody lane? I think I'm going to have to go.
Excuse me, is there another way out of this castle?
I'm going to have to go to the toilet when we get there. Bladder can't cope. Oh dear. Right, yes, you've got room there, haven't you?
Thank you. Oh, there's another one. This can't be honest. Getting a bit close.
And what's funny on the website, it says about the it says, oh yes, there's plenty of space for motorhomes. I didn't think about getting to the place.
missed our
Sorry, not
slot.
today. Not today. Yeah, there's a long way round. I don't mind. Way back.
Well, when we're leaving, nobody should be coming in. Because we've got... This is getting a bit narrow there.
It's getting a bit narrow.
Is that grass growing in the middle of the road? So it's a goat track.
Concentrate. There's a sign, Castle.
In 200 yards, turn right.
Well, look, it's just going to start opening up the road now that we're turning right. Wow.
Take the next right.
Here we are. Oh my goodness.
Whew.
It's like a Queen's entrance, isn't it? Look at that.
We can't get through the gate, there's a height barrier. Oh, that would have been hilarious. Sorry, can't get. Oh, I thought it was a wall, it's a fence, hedge. Still not there.
They always
This is
have
their
these
driveway.
long
now.
drives, don't they? These national
Yeah.
trusts.
In 200 yards, turn left.
The gate is closed. Oh no, not that way. Do they mean turn right?
Turn left, then you will arrive at your destination.
Right, we made it. Not very many scratches, probably just a few on that side, hitting bushes and stuff, but we made it. No fatalities.